Okay, so g'day, welcome back to Gumardi's Coins and Banknotes, and today we're just going to do a quick review of the 1967 Australian 5-cent coin. So flip it over to the 5 with an echidna. And we have the effigy, which is the Arnold Mackin effigy, first used in Rhodesia in 1964. But used in Australian decimal coins in 1966. And there is a different effigy which they use on colonial countries, and that is the I can't remember her name. Mary Gillick, I believe it is. So that's the one with the crown. And Australia didn't use that. So the 5-cent coin from 1967. I find it hard to actually find these in circulation, but just some quick info. The 5-cent coin, it's 75% copper, 25% nickel, weighs 2.83 grams, but there is should be a tolerance of 5%. So, talk about probably 2.6 to probably about 3 grams. That should be an okay error variation, and it's counted in the planchets. Okay, so the diameter is 19.41, so that should be pretty much exact. The thickness is 1.3. So the diameter and the thickness, when you multiply it using, okay, so when you use the formula, I think it's pi h. So we've got the radius, which is just half the diameter squared. They've got pi, and the height, which is 1.3. So that's how you should actually find out the volume. Anyway, enough of maths and physics. Okay, so the mintage for this year being the second year of issue. The first year had quite a lot of coins, 75 million. 1967 had 62,144,000 coins minted for circulation. And that's it. There was no uncirculated coin sets. There was no any other type of issue. So the only way you can get an uncirculated coin was through mint rolls. So these were actually delivered in mint rolls, which they did up until 1990. Is it 1990, and then they changed bags. So as you know, bags, when you have coins of bags, you can actually damage them quite easily because they have enough room, space to actually bang into each other. But with the roll, if you got I don't have any rolls on the table, but anyway, you got a roll. So it's a roll. Just pretend it's a roll. They're actually tightly packed, and there's no room to move. So uncirculated ones in the Renix catalogue are $10. So I would say $5 for an uncirculated coin, realistically. And a mint roll says $150, but I would say probably $60 to $80. Should be a good price for a roll. And these ones I did get from circulation, and I would grade this as very fine. I wouldn't grade it any higher. And in the Sheldon grading system, which is the US, it'd probably be extremely fine. They tend to grade the coins a lot higher. This one is slightly double rim. That's probably because of the way they've actually probably engraved the coin on the die, so it hasn't been engraved properly. So it's got something to do with the actual die itself. Okay, and here we have reeded. Don't know the number of reeds, but I'm not too concerned. So one thing you should look for is whether this little spike, so I can't remember what I think it might be made out of the same stuff that our nails are made out of. If it's long or small, like on 1966 coins, because you never know. but I think all of these spines should be long. Yeah, they're both long. And also, you have a small, okay, you got close to the rim and further from the rim, but that is generally for coins that dated 1972 to 84. So if we go to Numistar, we can see there is two images. So this one's close to the rim, this one is further. I can somewhat tell, but just go to Numistar and stare at the image for a while. Eventually you'll pick it up. And then we have the actual spines. So the first image is the short spine, and the second image is a long spine. So Order 1967 should be long spine. But basically, if you wanted to collect these in this condition, these are worth 5 cents. That's it. This one's been blinded. So someone's cut out its eyes. So basically, all you're looking for is uncirculated coins and errors. Not these ones. If you're going to sell these ones, I just sell them in bulk lots. So I just sell them with a whole bunch of 1960s and 70s coins. And generally they sell okay, because these are harder to get in circulation. I would say a lot of them have been removed and probably scrapped from the Royal Australian Mint. A lot of them also have been lost, and with the reduced value, so these pretty much can't buy anything these days. The rest is probably just sitting in money boxes somewhere. There will be very few in coins, because not too many people actually collect coins. I think more people collect pizza boxes than coins. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you. Have a good time. And, you know, with 10 cents, you're going to be very rich. Thank you. Hooroo.